Hello everyone. So this is your instructor Ahmed, and today we're going to learn about natural language processing in Python. And this course name is Natural Language Processing in Python with Products. So we are going through natural languages practicing through Python, and so we are going through practicing of NLP using Python, and we're going to do products in natural language processing. So let's get started. So what is natural language processing? Natural language processing (NLP) is a subfield of computer science and artificial intelligence that uses machine learning to enable computer to understand and communicate with human language. So this is how natural language processing communicates between a human and its machine. So natural language processing enables computer and digital devices to recognize, understand, and generate text and speech by combining computational linguistics, the rule-based modeling of human language, together with a statistical modeling, machine learning, and deep learning. So this is how natural language processing communicates between machine and software, and you can say about machine learning programs and then a human being. So what are the benefits? Why we are learning natural language processing? It may have some benefits. So what are the benefits here? Natural language processing make it easier for humans to communicate and collaborate with machines by allowing them to do so in the language, in a natural human language they use every day. This offers benefits across many industries and applications. As you know about, you can communicate with your human language, so it's a quite and it's a more easier to communicate with a programming language, and instead of communication with a programming language. So this is how natural language giving us a lot of benefits. So number one benefits. There are a lot of benefits used in different kind of industries. So number one is automation of repetitive tasks. You can automate tasks and daily life tasks. It means you are going to perform daily life tasks. And another one is an improved data analysis and science. So machine can learn more and more better than human because the data are already in the machine format. So data insights improvements can be done by use of natural language processing. So as you know about Google and there are such engine optimization techniques. So natural language processing enhance the search engine optimization techniques as well as enhance the search engine finding about the contexts which are rarely present on the internet. So another one thing is content generation. How natural language processing uh, makes the content and how which strategy it is using in content generation. So number one, we're going to learn about automation of repetitive tasks. So natural language processing is especially useful in fully partially automating tasks like customer support, data entry, and document handling. Improved data analysis. So natural language processing enhanced data analysis by enabling the extraction of insights from unstructured text data, such as customer reviews, social media posts, and news articles. By using text mining techniques, NLP can identify patterns, trends, and sentiments that are not immediately obvious in large data set. Now the third one is enhanced search. NLP benefits searching by enabling systems to understand the intent behind user queries, provide more accurate and contextual relevant results. NLP of relying solely on keyword matching. NLP-powered search engine analyze the meaning of words and phrases, making it easier to find information even when queries are vague or complex. Powerful content generation. Another benefit of learning natural language processing. NLP powers advanced language models to create human-like text for various purposes. Pre-trained models such as GPT can train articles, reports, marketing copy, product descriptions, even create writing based on prompts provided by user. NLP-powered tools can also assist in automating tasks like drafting emails, writing social media posts, or legal documentation.